Hello, my amiable viewers. As you can see that we all are enjoying our lunch in this chilly weather. Here you can see that my father is enjoying this lunch a lot. As you can see, he is appreciating a lot to my mom. Hmm. So, and I have also enjoyed this. So, stay tuned and watch these recipes.
Welcome viewers, welcome to my kitchen. Right now, as you can see, I have already grilled some vegetables, eggplant, tomato, an onion and a capsicum along with some chilies. First, I have to clean all the ashes from the vegetables. After cleaning all the vegetables, I will mix them well with some spices, salt, uh, chaat masala and little bit of mustard oil. Whenever you grill the vegetables in a charcoal griller, that time the smoky flavors enrich the taste of the vegetables. Those who have eaten this way charcoal vegetables, they will agree with me that the smoky flavor enrich the taste of the vegetables. This is the primitive way of cooking when there was no spices or anything for cooking, only grilled vegetables, and that's it. Slowly, slowly, our ancestors invented spices, oils, and they add in their cooking by the time. This is a very simple process but tastes awesome. Now they are mixed properly. Now I will add salt into this mixture and a tablespoon of mustard oil. Raw mustard oil also enrich the smoky flavor. Ready to eat. Now I will taste it. Super, super. Oh, my viewers, don't go anywhere. Next recipe is on the way. Next recipe is mutton softy kebabs. And these are our picnic platters, mixed dal, बैंगन का भरता and mutton kebab. I have soaked different type of pulses for 8 hours. Clean it properly. After that I am cleaning the mutton keema. I've taken 2 bowls of mutton keema and 2 bowls of pulses. Properly cleaned and soaked. Now I will add some spices, turmeric powder, red chili powder and cumin powder. Last but not the least, I will add salt. I will boil all the ingredients with some garam masala. Oh, one more thing, I will also add 2 bowls of water into this mixture for pressure cook. That much of water you need to cook the mutton and the pulses. After that, I am mixing a ginger garlic paste in a mixer and using it in this. Pressure cook for 10 minutes up to your pressure cooker's uh, boiling status. After opening the lid, you can see all the waters are dried up and the pulses are properly cooked. No water you can see in my mixture. I will segregate all the bay leaves. Next, I will smash it. After that, I will mix it properly in a mixer. Don't forget to take out the cinnamon and the cloves from the mixture. Now they are properly smashed. Add a teaspoon of cumin seeds in a hot oil and mix some onions and chopped coriander. Fry it well. After that, add some chaat masala powder and salt. When the mixture is cooled down, then you add a teaspoon of garam masala powder and mix it well. Keep aside for 30 minutes in refrigerator before making tikkas, kebabs and mutton cutlets. Anything you can make from this mixture. From this mixture, I will prepare mutton softy kebab. I have prepared my griller for this purpose. If you don't have griller, then you can use my ideas. These dark brown kebabs are ready to eat now, and I have grilled them for 30 minutes, and the light brown color are just now added, and I will grill them for 30 to 40 minutes. It will take time to grill properly. In this way, I have served my tandoori mutton softy kebabs. If you like my recipes, please do subscribe to my channel. I shall glad to see you again. Hope you enjoy your winter days. Bye.